All right, so we got our new Bissell air320 today, and I wanted an air purifier, and I wanted something that actually looks nice too, and this has got a kind of a cool little retro vibe. So we're going to unbox this thing and check it out, see what's going on here. They did some weird packaging, don't know why. What do you think of this, baby bear? Got the manual. Got some good packing going on there. And here is the device itself. Come on. Come on out. There we go. There she is. As you can see, it's not too heavy. Kind of big and bulky compared to, like, we used to have a little round tower. It's a lot smaller. Has this nice, like, carpeted thing here. And what I like is it has the mid-century style with the legs and whatnot. Thought it would make a good appliance where you can have it in your living room and it doesn't look ugly or weird, like my wife. Just kidding. Okay, so as it tells you here, remove the label for first use. And from what I remember on seeing this online is you have to take the filters out and get them set up. So I think this, yeah. So the front grill thing comes right off. I like this. It reminds me of an old vintage speaker, like on one of those old hi-fi systems. So make sure you don't just plug it in and start using it because these are wrapped in plastic. So you got to pull the filters out. There you can kind of see the fan that's going on there. And I'm going to pull them out in the order they go back in so I get it right. This is like a charcoal filter, which is kind of cool. So as you can see, it's going to filter the air through several different filters. The downside to this filter is it's, I think you spend about 50 bucks. I think it costs around 50 to replace all the different filters. And so you got to do that like once a year probably, from what I've read online. So the charcoal goes in first, front, top. Okay, so this is the front and the top. And it says do not wash. This points toward the front, and the tabs, as they say, go toward the front. So got the charcoal in, then I'm going to add the regular filter. And then, man, this couldn't be easier to put back together. It's just got two little prongs that you put on there and then snap it in. And let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Oh, this is cool. It has a little cord wrap on the back so you can just take off what you need and you don't have a bunch of extra cord. This is why we need a filter, because of this dog. His hair and dander gets everywhere. And you can see he likes to go crazy and spread his hair all around. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this guy in. Make sure you remove the little safety thing. And let's turn her on. Ooh, did you hear that? I haven't even touched it yet. And the little thing came on, so. Oh, so the air comes out of the top. So what it's doing is it's filtering it, it's pulling it through the filters this way. I was thinking the air would come out here. But no, it pulls the air in through these filters that way, and then it shoots your fresh, clean air out the top. It's got a number 13 here. 12. Oh, it went to 12. So this 3-digit display here is the air quality. And page 6 will tell us more details. And then you push this button to change the fan speed. There's 5 different speeds. There's also a night mode, which will either turn off or dim the lights. Less light and just... Oh, the lights will turn off, so they don't keep you up at night, which is handy. I hate appliances that are bright at night in your room when you're trying to sleep. So it says here 002 is good air quality, 139 is moderate, 457 is poor. Those seem like very random numbers. Why couldn't they do like a scale of 1 to 10? I guess it's a scale of 2 to 457.
It's like particles per square inch or whatever.
Right. And then let's see the different loudness levels of the... Oh, wait, that just turned it off.
Did you twist it?
Maybe. Let's wait for it to come. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, and see there's little lights showing 5 different levels. And if you can hear that, this is the fastest. It's somewhat loud, but not...
It's not bad.
Not ridiculously loud. And then I'll show you level 4. It's level 4 there. And then let's go down to level 3. That got real quiet. 3, it's just I could sleep with that sound. But let's go down to 2. Wow, level 2 you can barely hear it. And then level 1 was what it started at. And that's, level 1 is almost silent. You wouldn't notice it unless you were listening for it. So, anyway, it seems like it's going to be a great little filter. I love, like I said, love how it looks. It'll look great in our living room. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. We're checking in after having this thing for about 2 weeks. And how's it been going for us?
I've been getting more sleep because this guy has been sniffling less. So I think it's definitely working to clear out the air from all those icky particles that have been making us sneeze.
Yeah, I'd noticed, and I wake up with very little mucus. We live in a very dusty place, plus all of our animals. We got a dog and a cat. So our air is pretty low quality. But since we've been running this, we run it every night, all night in our bedroom. And yeah, huge difference. So I would say we recommend.